Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin to a new phone. First, ensure your old phone is completely disconnected from your Garmin device. This prevents any conflicts during the new pairing process. Next, download the Garmin Connect app onto your new smartphone from your App Store. Finally, make sure your Garmin device is fully charged and kept within a few feet of your new phone for optimal Bluetooth signal strength. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app on your new phone and either log in to your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Once inside the app, navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device. This will prompt the app to search for nearby devices. Simultaneously, put your Garmin device into pairing mode, usually by holding down a button or accessing its settings menu so it becomes discoverable. With your Garmin device in pairing mode, you should see it appear in the list of available devices within the Garmin Connect app. Select your specific Garmin model from this list. Your Garmin device will then display a unique 6-digit pairing code. Carefully enter this code into the prompt on your new phone's app. Once confirmed, the app will begin to sync all your historical data, activities, and settings from your Garmin device, ensuring a seamless transition to your new phone. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A few simple troubleshooting steps can help. First, try restarting both your new phone and your Garmin device. Also, double-check your phone's Bluetooth settings to ensure it's enabled and not connected to other devices. Make sure the Garmin Connect app has all the necessary permissions enabled in your phone settings. Lastly, consider updating your Garmin device's software through the app if an update is available, as this often resolves connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.